Hey guys, welcome to this magnificent and prosperous live stream. We're going to start in a few minutes. We're waiting for more people to join us. And if you're rewatching this after it happened live, then welcome as well. I know lots of you love to rewatch the live streams. And it's a good choice because they are very educational, I have to say. Like, I like them myself. We do provide lots of education, tips, and really everything. And the agenda is always going to be PUMP.FUN coins as well as radium coins. Just looking at them, analyzing, talking with the live chat, so that kind of stuff. I'm now going to pin my classic live chat message, which is the free course, free Discord, and free Telegram course channel. Alright, that's done. And if you're watching this live stream, those links are in the description and in the pinned comment. Now, going to open this stream on my other devices as well. Perfect. Let's get the link of our stream now. I'm going to shout out our stream on our Telegram course channel, so we can have more people joining, and yeah, hopefully we just have more people. We are live. Perfect, this should be great now. This should be great. Let's start with the live stream now. If you guys have something to show, feel free to do so. And earlier today, I made one call here, actually two. I was looking for resistance to support flips here, and those were the coins. So this one was PU, like $5 billion in market cap. I was looking for it to flip this local resistance and just buy it at the support level, and hopefully it kept going, but it rejected right from the resistance. So this wasn't a trade, but it might be if it goes over the resistance. And this one was the trade. I basically posted about it like in this stage right here, and I told you guys that it's a resistance to support flip, as you can see here. So this could have been a juicy 2x for you guys. Like, yeah, exactly 2x. But it came back to the support level here as well. So you could have traded this coin quite literally twice and get a 2x two times. You can see the volume is crazy, even though it's such a low market cap coin, like only $400k in market cap. And volume is literally 8 million. 1 hour volume 800k. Very, very crazy. But you can see here that the all-time high was this right here, right? 200k or so. It formed the all-time high, went down, it touched the resistance level, rejected, touched it again, rejected, was about to touch it, didn't touch it quite, then touched it here again, rejected. So this was a strong resistance. And once it broke through, resistance acts as a support, and this was a nice trade. And those are way safer than riding the first wave, because those are foreseen, you know. When they flip the resistance, there is no other limitations here, you know. Resistance is the limit, the all-time high is the limit, especially if it's strong. If it breaks through a strong resistance, you know it's gonna fly. So you could have traded this literally two times. And keep an eye on it because, you know, there is a new resistance, kind of, here. there is a new all-time high. So let's see if it breaks it and forms another resistance support flip, because you can trade one coin literally like 3 times if you want to, you know, and always cash out to exit or something. And here as well, it didn't, flip the resistance here, even though I was hoping for it to do so, but it can still do it. And then you can trade the coin, right, if it flips the resistance. Now, interesting thing is that the market is looking very hot right now. Like, look at everything. Look at BTC. Look at Ethereum. They're all holding well. They're all recovering and pumping, really. As you can see here, our all-time high is at 73,000. As you can see here, 73,000. And we are now at 71.2. We were at 71.6 earlier today. So looks strong, going for another all-time high. And the money right now is in the altcoins and the most established coins. And even Solana right now is pumping. And after those coins are done pumping, when they have formed new all-time highs like BTC, Solana, then money is coming back to meme coins. As you can see here, Solana is up quite a bit. It's like up by about $10 almost. This is pretty good news because it wasn't really moving that much at all. So Solana is now awake. We love to see that. That's great for the meme coins. As you can see here, BNB as well as the chain of the last year, meme coin bull market. As you can see here, 70% up in the last week. So looking very nice. I like what I'm seeing right now. And I do think we're having another wave very soon. And you guys can show me some coins in the chat if you want to. Another interesting thing from earlier today is actually this coin. I'm not even sure why has this pumped. Like, it's called Beer, as you can see here. It pumped literally $500 million in market cap. I saw it yesterday as well. It was at just like 70 million. Actually, no, it wasn't. Yeah, it was higher up, so I'm mistaken here. But yeah, this coin is pumping very hard. Most likely a pre-sale coin. I don't know, I haven't checked out the socials, but $100 million in volume in the last 24 hours, and it's looking very, very nice. Now, I want to give you one play here, right at the start of this stream, because I was looking at this coin before, and I bought some more, and the coin's name is PUMP.FUN. It's right at the support level. So I want to give you that, guys, because I do think that it's the perfect play, perfect narrative, and the perfect entry, because look at this. This is the resistance in the beginning, right here, and then it's now the support. A very strong line, as you can see here. It's very tightly moving around this support, and right now it's literally at the support level. I don't think it's going to be any cheaper than this right now. I think this is literally the cheapest you'll get PUMP.FUN for. Market cap under 200 million, all-time high is 700 million. So this is almost $1 billion market cap coin. And when the next wave hits, this is a long-term narrative. This narrative isn't going away. PUMP.FUN and Trump. So PUMP.FUN is a nice play in my opinion at this current moment. Right at the resistance, which is as safe as it can get when it comes to getting in. That's for sure. That's for sure. Henrik, how's things? Very nice. I hope you're doing well as well. Thoughts on bread? Let's take a look at bread. Bread is number one on base to my knowledge, but I'm not really about base chain. Like, I'm fully transparent here. I've never traded on base chain. I might buy some long-term coins maybe, but I'm really sticking to Solana. And I bought lots of coins. I actually bought 13 coins like 3 hours ago. But I'm going to post a video about that like tomorrow, I think. So yeah, let's check out bread. Bread is now $1 billion market cap coin. It reached 1 billion just like 3-4 days ago, so very recently. Now, I'm not really a fan of buying the tops, I have to say, but the chart is looking bullish, right? There is one issue. Is this chart correct? because I can only see it from 2nd of March. I'm sure that Brett is way older. I might be looking at the wrong liquidity pool. Let's take a look at different versions here. Yeah, this one is 3 months old. This might be the right one, right? Should be $1.2 billion as well. And we can see the full chart here, it seems like. Let's take a look. At Brett, at the potential entry. Now, there is lots of hype about it, and I certainly wouldn't buy it now. I mean, the perfect dip, if you were to get in at the perfect time, was at this Fibonacci level right here at 0.618. This would have been perfect. You had 2 chances to buy in. At the top, I wouldn't buy, but it's now $1 billion coin. So it's well established. It's going to match with probably. I don't know, it means good things for the base chain as well. So I guess just keep an eye on it. If you're not in, just keep an eye on it because it's a strong hold. If it happens to come down, you can just hold Brett long term, and in this bull run, it's certainly going to make more X's because it's established that it's very safe. The bigger the coins, the safer, obviously. Basically, when it comes to meme coins, with Bonk, Flocky, Brett, Pepe's are the safest coins to buy, and they still will get you good returns, good risk reward. You can get 5 to 10x from here, holding Brett. But yeah, I'm a fan of dips. I like to wait for dips. Not even on Coinbase and Binance yet. So yeah, there is lots of things to come still. I'm not aware of the Brett news. Where is the Brett at? Is it listed somewhere? I don't know. But yeah. Yeah, Fibonacci 2, I mean, it's the best. Fibonacci 2, it really works well when it comes to Radium and Dexcrina coins. Doesn't work here on PUMP.FUN, but it's perfect when it comes to Dexcrina and Radium coins. Those discount levels, 0.618, 786 or something, they're literally the best. Let's now open a bunch of coins, and you guys can show me some in the chat. This one, yeah, Trump is still trending, that's for sure. And if you guys missed the first part of the live stream, check out Boran right now. Boran looks great at the support level. I think Boran is a play. Right at the support level as I'm speaking here. And it's an established coin, so it's going to perform. We know it's going to do 5 to 10x, like at the bare minimum. It's just at $200 million in market cap. There is a long way to go still, lots of potential. So it's never really the top. You might be thinking like, oh, this coin probably it's its top, it's not going to go up more. But bull run will prove you wrong, that's for sure. There are no tops. We don't know how hard this coin is going to go. What we know is that Boran, Brett, they're going to do more X's. So really just hold. It's really easy to do. Just hold, don't sell. And in months to come, you're going to be cashing out lots of profits. It's going to be real juicy. Bubble map. I always check bubble map now. Alright, one link. No website here. No website. And stay tuned for the video which I'm going to drop tomorrow, because I've got 13, in my opinion, very nice plays. Pretty safe plays, I would say. Lots of them are really down, and lots of them are reversing. I might even post them on the Telegram, on Discord, today after the live, but we'll see. Let's join the group. Only 30 members, I don't like it right away. 11 in the voice chat, that's very little here. There are burns, but no other pin messages, yeah. I'll just skip it because not that established in my opinion. Needs a bigger community here. Needs a bigger community. We'll keep an eye on it. We can come back to it. No website here either. Clean bubble map, that's great. That's great for sure. Look at this thread section, it's really small. Even though the coin was at 25 kilos in market cap, there still isn't a big community and no volume, as you can see here. This certainly is a no-go. There is no community and there is no volume. Let's take a look at this one. And this live stream is basically for you guys to do your own research, right? So I'm helping you to analyze those coins, hence you can share anything. So we're just doing analysis, it's basically education, and you guys can follow those plays if you want to. We're just screening them, analyzing them, and really doing everything to ensure that those are the winning plays here. Because I am really picking my plays very wisely when it comes to PUMP.FUN, which I haven't touched myself in like a week. But whenever I trade on PUMP.FUN, as you know guys, I'm very safe. There is no volume. It's an issue. It's the first wave there is no volume. Going to close it. This looks good. I mean, if you can catch such a coin, a slow moving coin with this nice higher lows or almost diagonal uptrend, this is juicy. I mean, I wish I saw this earlier, right? It's now high up at $40K in market cap, but you want to see coins like this. Early on, you could have bought literally any time, and you would have been good here. Yeah, good coin, good thread section, looks large. Clean bubble maps. Let's take a look at the website. Welcome, Sergey. Happy to have you here. Now the website. Memes are nice, and I love that lots of coins now have memes on the website. So developers are improving. And you can dress the guy here. You can dress this cat. This looks cool. I haven't ever seen a thing like this before. This looks very cool. I very much like this. It's a bit delayed, but I like this a lot. You can make your meme here. More memes, that is perfect. This is a movie, I'm Legend, like apocalyptic movie. That's cool. Yeah, this looks great. I mean, yeah, certainly better than average. I'll check out the Telegram. It's high up at the moment. As you can see here, it's surging, but let's still check it out. In case it comes down, this coin certainly looks good so far. Big thread section, nice website. This is what we are looking for. So as you can see here, good coins oftentimes have higher market caps, right? It makes sense. So whenever a coin is a full package, it's almost destined to go up, you know? So what you want is the full package. 45 people in the voice chat, 172 in the group. So this looks very nice. I mean, this is certainly higher end. It's like peak of a PUMP.FUN coin. This is very nice. Giveaway from developers wallet. Giveaways are nice. Giving away some money. Dex credit is fixed. All right. Yeah, looks great. Certainly active community as well. I think this is a perfect coin. The only issue is high market cap. This is the only issue here. You can wait for it to come down. You can wait. Is that you wish you saw it earlier, you know, because it's looking good. Let's take a look at this. This high up as well. But we can take a look at it. No website. There is 2 links here. But it's fine. 2 links are fine. Like anything more than 2 I think is sketchy. Like 3 or more, I don't think I would be looking at a coin. CTO, so developer GRED most likely in the beginning, hence you can see a big dump here. So CTO, they are doing well here. I'm not sure what happened. Not sure what happened here. Let's get the coin back. I'm going to join the Telegram group. It looks promising from the chart. And welcome everyone to this live stream. What is this? Where is the chat? Probably in the thread section because it's a CTO. Probably in the threads. Let's get this now. Actually, I've never used foreign for PUMP.FUN. I imagine it can be very helpful actually. Uh, Actually, I will finish the point later once I come back to PUMP.FUN. Yeah. 87 people in the group, 18 in the voice chat. This is nice. I mean, it's the bare minimum. Group is on a higher end. I mean, the member count. And it's not really a first waiver, so I imagine people were more active before. I mean, it is first waiver, but it's now slow mooning, so initial surge is now over. I would keep an eye on it. It's just high up in the market cap, that's the only issue. So when it comes to Photon, you don't like have socials there. I think that is an issue because you still need to open the coin here, right? I do think that bump order list here on PUMP.FUN is very helpful. It is certainly helpful because those coins are the active coins. They have either a buy or a sell or a thread reply. So I don't know, I might even try using Photon, why not? Oh, actually maybe later. But yeah, I'm happy with this interface right here. And lots of China coins you can see here. I can see lots of China coins for some reason. And I'm not really aware what is the trend here really. Actually, oftentimes I'm like coming to PUMP.FUN or look at Tradium, and I'm very confused like what is the trend about? I see like the most random trends sometimes and I'm confused like why is this a trend, you know? But let's take a look at this. First of all, bubble map. Looks good. Finally a website. Nope, it's some sort of a YouTube video. So no website. So far, coins we're checking out have no websites. This thread section was very small. The volume here is great. But when it comes to first waivers, volume is rather a bad thing, I would say. Because you can lose quickly. Voice chat very active, 43 people and 80 members. So they are certainly very active here. And there is some sort of a meme here going on, as you can see here. DEX being coughed up right now makes sense with this meme. I think the meme is great. Cough it up, the meme is great. But it's high up in the market cap again, that's kind of the issue here. The most you can get is 2x. I wouldn't go for a 2x. Risk to reward is very important. I mean, it's now at 25k, so this is like the most amount in market cap that I would go for. Anything above 25k is completely leaving you with no profits. So this is like the last chance if you like the meme. But first waiver, I would not get into it. But I do think that you should look at this coin. If it happens to dump more, the community is active. They're going to buy the dip, that's for sure. Thread section is small. And there is no website, so there is room for improvement. We can just keep an eye on it. But it's not really a perfect coin, right? It's not the perfect package which we are looking for. This is having a dump, and this actually might be at the support level. I mean, if there is a support, if it's going to follow any support levels, it's going to be this right here, or like this right here. But those are not established coins, right? So this is just purely, I don't know, like additional tool. Do not trade based off this support, you know. But technically, this should be the support level here, even if it's not going to follow it. Some coins, surprisingly, even on PUMP.FUN, do follow support and resistance. They sometimes, like half of the time, actually do follow. So let's keep an eye on this. And I guess this would be the next support here. So 2 levels. Let's keep an eye. Let's keep an eye on this. This is now bouncing back. Let's take a look at the live chat. Can you take a look at third? By the way, I was looking at third before. I was at, like a few days ago. I was also looking at the bull and I was looking at duck. I was looking at those 3 because they were trending before, like months ago. Yeah, They were the narrative of the day, and they're still alive. And I know that meme coins are recovering. So screening for any OG coins, as you can see here, I was, trading the coins months ago. I know the third was, actually I'm not sure what I did here, but yeah, I saw third months ago. It's nice when old coins go for recovery. I believe you should always keep an eye on such plays. Forming higher lows here. The volume candles, if they're coming back, this would be very nice. Let's take a look. So yeah, volume is slightly bigger, just a little bit. Still insufficient, 25k in the last 24 hours. I would say keep an eye on it. I wouldn't enter it yet. I was looking at it, perhaps to even enter. I didn't though, but I'm still going to track it for sure. I'm still going to check it. Community takeover. Yeah, it could very well go for another wave. But I also want to share with Duck then, because they were trend on like the same day, I think. And Duck is a stronger pick. So it's $1.7 million in market cap. It's also going for maybe a recovery. We don't really know here, but at least it's not really at the bottom anymore. This is the support. It bounced back a bit. If it forms high lows, could be a play. Volume looks way better. It looks 10 times better than third's volume. So if I would be picking, I would rather go for Duck here. And Bull is the third pick, but Bull, yeah, we're not going to check it out. Actually, socials show now. Oh, nice. If the socials show, I imagine that Photon is very useful then. This is nice. Billy, $1 billion cat. Let's take a look. Hit the like button. That's right, guys. Hit the like button. Has immediate indicator for audit results. Yeah, that's nice. Mint authority, freeze authority, LP burned, top 10 holders. Yeah, like for PUMP.FUN coins, it's not really that useful because you can't really pull as liquidity, you can't really freeze anything, you can't really mint anything. So when it comes to PUMP.FUN, it's really not that useful. But for radium coins, for sure, it's great when there is audit section. $1 billion cat, Billy. Let's take a look real quick. A shoe from the live chat. And keep the shows coming, guys, if you want to. The question is, which one is it? I'm not quite sure. Go and take a look at it on PUMP.FUN. Perhaps we can find it there. Lots of coins here. Lots of coins. Let's try it a different way. $1 billion cat. Can't really see it for some reason. We're going to go back to PUMP.FUN. Please make sure to clarify where are the coins, what is the market cap. This would definitely help. Now there is some sort of live stream. We're going to make it smaller. And the chart is a good looking chart, I would say. So first impression is promising here. There is a link, but yeah, it's a small one. So we got to pay attention how big is the link, If someone split 1.2% of the supply into two different wallets, that's fine, If there is one link, someone split 20%, this is sketchy, this is too much. But 1.5%, if it was split, completely acceptable. There is no website again. Everyone is entitled to their own opinions, even those are wrong. What's not wrong through is dominates the celeb meta, less pumps internet. So there is some sort of a meme behind this for sure. This is the DEX screen I prepaid. If that's true, this would be good. We need SoScan link though. But if they prepaid DEX screen at 10k, that is very good. Because if the developer wants to rug you, he still needs to wait for higher market cap because he's not making any money here. He paid $300 from his own pocket. He has not made that back yet. So if he even wants to rug you, he's going to do so way later. So it gives you a safety net if DEX screener is prepaid this early on. So this is a very big green flag here. If it's true, we need proof. The SoulScan link. 40 members, 12 in the voice chat. So this is lower than I'm looking for. I'm looking for 50 members and 15 in the voice chat. So this is lower than I want, but other signs are there so far. People talking a bit every now and then. Receipts pinned, paid with credit. Yeah, ideally we would need SoulScan link. Meme channel. The proof is here. Let's take a look at other pinned messages. Yeah, not much here on Telegram, I would say. But if it's indeed prepaid, this for sure is nice. I would say keep an eye on it. There doesn't seem to be that much volume. As you can see here, if it's at 10k, if it dips 50% or 40%, it's back to its baseline market cap. So it's incredibly risky to buy, even at 10k or 12k. I like to wait for coins to go to at least 15k. Might sound weird, but this is my play usually. Just to stay safe, I'm willing to buy in higher when the signs are more certain. The volume here certainly looks good. This is for sure, and it's a relaunch, so the first launch failed. Supposedly, the volume is clearly here. Let's take a look at the first launch. But this dip is deadly. I mean, it's completely deadly. We can't see the first coin from here. But yeah, I'm not really bullish on this, just because of the low market cap. Let's open some new coins. Billy Runes. This is the shoe from the live chat. Let's take a look. Still can't find it here. Maybe on PUMP.FUN. Billy Runes. Yeah, PUMP.FUN is just a little bit slow. I don't think it's an issue on my end. It's just slow sometimes, you know. But yeah, Billy Runes, I'm not sure. Is it another chain or something? Because I can't find it here. We should rather stick to just those PUMP.FUN coins. Let's take a look at this. This looks like a slow Muna, but the volume here is downtrending. That's an issue here, at least short term, like right away. But dips, we're welcoming dips if the coins are looking great. This bubble map looks clean. Website is non-existent, unfortunately. SoulScan proof of DEX screener prepaid. As you can see here. This is nice. Take a look at the volume from here, and they have a buying bot working here. So it's basically bumping the coin. That's nice. That's good for sure. We need an active community because it's literally number one thing. Everything depends on this right here, really. And of course, the volume. But yeah, 12 people in the voice chat is good because it's moving slowly. So it's acceptable. And 100 plus members is nice. This is great for sure. Let's take a look. Pin messages. DEX prepaid. Website done in 1 hour. So ideally you need the website before you launch the coin. This is very important. Very, very important. And as of right now, I still can't see the website, even though it's been almost 2 hours. Website done by a professional. All right. So yeah, sometimes you just want to wait for the website, you know? You want to wait till they post the website. If the coin goes to Radium, there is no website, it's an issue. You got to be prepared. This we have seen yesterday is clearly down now. Yeah, this one is dead. 31 people. Welcome everyone to this magnificent and prosperous live stream. If you are new, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because we are streaming literally every single day or every other day. And I'm going to post a banger video tomorrow. I filmed a video where I picked 13 plays for the upcoming meme coin wave. And all of those coins are gems. I mean, some of them, half of them, I've not seen anyone speaking of. Literally no one. No YouTuber, not Twitter guys. I've not seen anyone speaking of them, really. Just like half of them are complete gems, completely forgotten or unknown. Let's take a look at this. Bow map looks completely clean. Website, and this is the trend, right? Garfield is a movie, and this is like a meme version of him, Garfat. And it's now currently in the cinemas, you know? So they are taking advantage of the media, of the trend. That is nice. Clearly there is some volume. It's clearly there. Actually not really. I don't really like this because there was a gap of no volume. And right now too, you can see the volume is just very, very small. It's an issue here, that's for sure. Let's still join the Telegram. Let's see what this is about. Four members only. Not sure what's going on, but this very, very little. This is very, very little. If it's 6 members in the group, I mean, this is right away no-go. I'm not sure how is it so low here. Like, this completely makes no sense. And the thread section looks a bit small. Interesting. I don't know what's happening here. Did we check out the website even? Let's take a look. Oh yeah, we did. It's about average, a bit better than average, I would say. Looks professional enough. But yeah, we're going to skip this. Weird volume. There is no volume. And Telegram members are very, very low. Not sure why. Let's take a look at this in the meantime. Peer. Very nice. I mean, guys, I called Peer at this level. So this could have been a free X for you guys. And you could have hit it 2 times. So join the Telegram coach channel. It's in the live chat pin message. And as you can see here, this now, basically what I pointed out at the start of this live stream, that you can trade coins multiple times because this formed a new all-time high here. And this became the resistance, right? The coin went down, bounced from previous resistance, now the support, and then it now broke through this resistance. So we can have another similar trade like before. Coin goes up a little bit, comes back down to this resistance, now the support, flips the resistance to support, of course, and bullish higher lows from here, like it did here and here. So another potential entry might be cooking here, so keep an eye on Peer. And surprisingly good volume. I mean, for such a coin, 500 kilos in market cap, 8 million is crazy. And Pepe is in the trend. And I've not seen Peer coins before, you know? So this kind of looks great as a meme even. Pepe, but it's Peer. Like, I can see it going up even more just because of this meme. It is number 2 trending, so it has free spotlight, free promotion from Dex Screener, completely organic marketing here, and it's not done. You know, those first coins usually go to multi-million at least. And I saw it at 200k. So congratulations if you got in, if you entered into this play. I do hope that you guys cashed out here though, at like 2x, because you don't want to hold coins for like 5 to 10x's, you know. This is not likely to happen. You will only make profits consistently by taking 50%, 100%, 150, or at most 200%, which is 3x. The most you should aim for. This I would close right away because it's so low in market cap and it's already having those volatile dips. Not really what we want to see here. Check out Bread Gold. I'm not sure why PUMP.FUN is slow at the moment. Let's take a look at Bread Gold, but please do clarify where is it, because I can almost never find those shows, like half of the times. Bread Gold, oh this one, this looks great, 500 kilos in market cap, PUMP.FUN coin, and Bread is trending, it's $1 billion market cap coin, so I imagine that this is strong narrative, a strong meme. Let's take a look at bubble maps from here actually right away. It should still apply, even if a coin is on Dex screen on Radium. Let's take a look. So there is one big wallet who split. Ooh, look at this here. This looks very, very weird, like a spider web. As you can see here, someone owned or owns 43%, his number one wallet, and he split it into like, I don't know, 30 different wallets. So I'm not sure if this is even real. I mean, this looks too weird. That's an issue here, isn't it? Like bubble maps, I'm new to it, it's just a new tool here on PUMP.FUN. But I would say it looks weird. All of those top holders here, top 10%, as you can see here, are owned by one wallet. Might be the developer, might be some hidden holder, hidden trader, might not even be the developer, but there is someone and he holds big. That's why I would stay away. Just from looking at that spider web. It looks very sketchy. And yeah, I mean, look at this. This looks sketchy as well, doesn't it? It was completely nuked here. I mean, sure, a failed launch. Then a resurrection. Actually, I think it's organic because Bread is now a $1 billion coin. And this coin resurrected for some reason. I mean, for that reason, I think. But I wouldn't buy it because of that holder distribution thing. It's an issue. And you can also check top traders here. You can see that when traders haven't sold, this can be very, very like bad sign. But it looks fine from here because traders do their profits. But yeah, someone is just holding big. I would stay away from it, unfortunately. I would stay away from it. Yeah, we are lagging a little bit. Maybe I have too many tabs opened. That might be the case. Hopefully this can flip the resistance again. I mean, not again, it hasn't done so yet, but I'm looking forward for it to do so. Looking forward. Now this also might form some nice move here if it goes and touches the resistance after going a bit higher. I mean, it's the support now actually. Let's take a look at this. Feet, those are trending always. We'll leave the live stream. It might be a feet live stream. Not sure if this is allowed in Europe, but this would be huge if it's a feet live stream. Good try at a meme for sure. It's slow Muna. It has been here for 10 days now. It hasn't done much in 10 days. That is an issue here. When a coin is slow moving, that's great. But you want to take your profits out in a few days, at most. And not hold for weeks. See nothing. But distribution looks good here. It's like the type of coin that, if it looks great, you can get into it with relatively low risk because it hasn't really moved much. It doesn't really go down much. And if in a few days it doesn't pump, you can just take out your money, So this could be the only way I could see that you would be trading the coin, Thread section is very large. Very, very large. So there is memeability. There is a community. And that's just great. Yeah, it's a bit slow right now. Volume is there. Even though it's not much, it's slow Muna. But they do have a buy bot working here. Good job. The website I can tell right away looks like not that professional, you know. Now you can read lots of things here. This is nice. When you can read stuff, when there are memes. And I would say it's better than average. It doesn't necessarily look great, but there was more effort put in than the average website has on PUMP.FUN. There is lots of text. Clearly it took some creativity here. All of those memes, obviously. Meet the team, token created Gen Toe, and it's kind of a meme. Think here, John Toe, Alice Toe, Bob Toe, looks great. I mean, you can read about the project, about the team, that's what you want. So it looks simple, but that's what you want. You want information. I don't think this is legit now. I don't think it's legit. 7 hard members, no way. No way. 1 voice chat participant and only like 4 people are active. But let's take a look. As there was a PUMP.FUN stream. Cute feed show, live stream, and there are feed as you can see here. So it's a feed stream indeed. When we hit 11k market cap. So we can even check it out, but I really won't. I mean, you guys can if you want to. But there is potential. In such a meme, certainly there is potential. The only issue is it's slow mooning like very slowly, you know. It's like it's too slow. I'll close it guys, but take a look at it if you want to. SOF, Soul of Food is the name. Let's take a look at some more coins here. And here we can see a reversal of volume. Volume kicking back in, coin pumping from a dip. And this is kind of resistance to support, as you can see here. So it does follow those levels to an extent for sure. Clearly the resistance here as well. And wicks, we can see it went down a bit, fake outs, but it right from here bounced back 2 times. So support levels sometimes work here. China take over CTO right away. It seems like a great meme, but yeah, someone is holding 20%. Unfortunate. Because looks like a great meme. China take over CTO. And can someone tell me like what is the trend about China? Like I'm actually not sure why is China all over the place right now. Volume is non-existent here, going to close it right away. I mean, when coins have no volume, there is nothing to expect from them. Let's take a look at this Pepe coin. As you can see here, yeah, we do want it to go a bit higher at this moment and then come back to the support. It's now dancing just about the support level. Yeah, let's keep an eye on it. What about the volume here? Volume non-existent here, so close it right away. When coins have no volume, just close them. We have seen this before, that coin, which I think I can't spell because there were lots of restrictions about it before. You can see this one, we drew support levels to this earlier, as you can see here, and it might be bouncing right from this level. So this can be very exciting just to check, is it going to follow this at least a little bit? Or is it just going to fall through? But let's see. Very exciting. This one as well. Wow. We saw this at like, I don't know, 15k. So this is up a lot. This is radium. Wow. At 170k. I didn't even look at this in a while, but it's clearly looking good. We saw it literally in this stage, like right when it dipped here at like 13k. So this could have been 13x. But yeah, someone is holding 13%. This is a bit sketchy. Let's keep an eye. I mean, let's take a look at this in radium because this looks great. It was a 10x play, which I didn't even see really. Didn't even see it coming. I don't remember what I said about it. I think I said let's keep an eye on it. That's what I said. I said it was uncertain, it can die because it's so low in market cap. But you can see here, looks strong. I mean, when a coin goes to radium, it just goes like this, like steadily upwards. This looks bullish. And here, let's see what's going to happen. I mean, now it's hard to speculate here because this coin has no history on here, on Radium Dex screener. So we need a more established chart. We need to become all that to use, any sort of tools here. We can use Fibonacci, but as you can see here, it's not really following the levels, so it's really useful. Maybe support resistance, that could be useful here. I mean, very well could be. As you can see here, resistance, and here is the support. We can draw this here, for example. Volume looks very huge, as you can see here. Let's keep an eye on this for sure. Let's keep an eye on this. We'll close this. How are the coins here doing? Yeah, more or less alright. Looking bullish. Market looks hot right now. Let's see if it bounces. This was a great meme in my opinion, great community as well. Let's see now. Let's recheck and re-examine here. Because there was a dip and volume is getting shallower here. This is a bearish sign. Still uncertain really. At 10k, really not a play. It's too little. Now this is pumping. It had no volume here. Yeah, it's low in market cap. I would have said. I mean, I did say it's going to die here. I still think that it's going to die unless volume comes in. I'm surprised that it didn't really. 50 minutes of no volume and holders didn't sell. This is surprising. You can see this right here. Bounced right from the support level twice. Looking great now too. Let's see if it breaks the resistance here. It's right about at the resistance. So looking very interesting and strong. This one, Pepe Trump, we have seen this before. That is the issue. You sometimes go to check those coins for memeability. I mean, if they are copycats. Because sometimes you have the exact same profile, exact same everything literally copied. I'm sure I've seen Pepe Trumps before. As you can see here, Pepe Trump, Pepe Trump, Pepe Trump. Loads of those with the exact same name as you can see here. And some of them must have been successful before. And most likely the profile picture is copied as well. And this is what I don't like, when the coins have recycled names. Original things are rewarded way more. But yeah, look at the chart. I mean, I didn't even take a look at it, but looks horrendous. This is not even organic. They have the buy bot working here, somewhat trying to bring attention, but there is nothing to bring attention to. The coin is not looking great. This might be interesting. It's a streamer, I know, and celebrities are trending at this current moment. Take a look at the bubble map. And welcome everyone. If you're new, guys, make sure you subscribe with notifications. We're streaming every day. I have a banger video coming out tomorrow. 13 meme coin plays, which are gems. And also check out the free course in the Spin Live Chat message, free Discord and free Telegram course channel. Completely free resources. This now has loads of volume. Looks great. What about the website? There is no website. Thread section is very, very shallow, very small. Someone saying it's a scam. Well, let's take a look. But the meme is great. I mean, Asian Dora. And to my knowledge, I mean, I was confused actually earlier today about the trend. There was like Asian something trend, like Asian coins on Dex screener, like foreign, what is this called, like language. And I do think it's Asian, Chinese or something. So yeah, this is within the trend. But yeah, it's so small, 12 members. 6 in the voice chat. I'm going to skip this. We'll keep an eye on it. I'll keep it open. But yeah, at the moment it wouldn't be a trade. So don't enter if you're following the live stream here. Now there is one concern about this coin, and the concern here is that if there is no volume, I mean when there is a dip, the dip will keep dipping if there is no one to buy the dip. I mean, it's common sense, right? So if a coin doesn't really bounce, it's going to go downwards. So what we're looking at is for traders to buy up the dip fast and the dip to bounce like 15%, 30%. The faster it bounces, the more bullish it is. The slower it bounces, the higher the chance it's going to keep dipping. So far it's been dipping for a lot already. I don't know, like 60%, 65%. As you can see here, 60%. And it's going to keep dipping because there is no volume. This is the issue here. Or it might slowly come back, but wouldn't buy in this stage. Masaru Inu, let's take a look. Looks like a great meme, and this looks great. I love lying to men, and this looks handmade, original to my knowledge. It's not AI or anything. But what about the volume? Volume is shallow in some places here. Might be concerning. The last 15 minutes, there has been no volume pretty much. Very low volume, and no volume means downtrend, as simple as that. 2 links here. 2 links, that's acceptable. Here as well. Alright. Let's take a look. Website. The baddest bee on Solana. This looks great. Website looks great. I mean, this is it handmade. The guy is cooking here. Fed you for over 18 years, carried you for 9 months. All your homies have a crush on her. Wise to listen. Makes the best pasta. Yeah, I mean, this is a great meme. Original artwork. It's good to point it out. Nice job done here. I do think it's very nice. It's looking nice right here. Like, literally everything. This as well. And the meme is there. Read this, guys. Read this. So yeah, this is a great meme, I would say. A great meme. Let's now take a look at the Telegram. Is there a Telegram? Like, it's a meme coin which you can make lots of memes about. That's important. Telegram link on the website. Alright. So there have been burns. And burns are nice. So far looks great, besides the volume. So we need the link from here, right? So there is an issue. Lots of people are not going to find the Telegram here. They're not going to go to the thread section. They're not going to find those messages. So they failed this one thing here. They must have all the socials here. And once you have created the token, you can't really add them afterwards. But I think PUMP.FUN should change this. That you should be able to edit the settings of your token. And I mean, maybe even delete the token if it's dead, you know, or something. So we don't, actually maybe, I don't know. Because coins can resurrect. But yeah, they should be able to edit the socials to modify them after the creation of a coin. As you can see here, 28 people only. I just think that lots of people missed the Telegram and didn't really find it. And this is bad. I think it's kind of failed in that sense, because community is very important here. And thread section was shallow as well. So meme is great. I would still keep an eye on this 100%. Like, I really like the meme. I like those stickers, those original artworks, as he pointed out, the developer. But I don't like that they failed with the Telegram. This is all funny, and this looks great. I mean, clearly looks great. Let's take a look. This is pumping now. Wow. So this went from 10k to 20k. I mean, it wicked up. It's now back, but this was 2x at some point. Now, as you can see here, very deadly. When a coin goes below 10k, you just got to hold your breath because it can die. Lots of people selling at once. Developer can't really see him. It has been rug pulled. And yeah, I mean, this is what happens. And I said they should wait here. So clearly, this coin was not on the list of mooners here. I'm going to close it. I'm going to close it. Let's take a look at this and this. This actually I want to close as well because it's not really do anything. 6.8k, it's back to baseline almost. Just going to die. I mean, I see no other fate. Now, important thing here. If a coin looks bearish, which it does right now, maybe it's not going to bounce anymore. So the support level, if you trade based off this, you just have to understand that it's not going to hit it every time and bounce back. So in this case, I mean, it's a double top here, if it means anything. I don't know if they follow the patterns here that much. Not established coins, fairly new coins, low market cap, but you can see bearish trend and it would be sketchy to enter at the support even. So I think it's going to crash down really because people want profits. If they can't see profits, they're cashing out. And it's been doing nothing recently at all. And it's a first waiver, so has lots of room to come back down. Because if first waivers do not keep going, if they lose momentum, people are out. Momentum is very important here. And this is a loss of momentum. One dip is acceptable, but there is 2 dips now. This is not that great. Not that great. This doesn't even have volume to bounce, I think. Let's refresh that. And you can see here, so I refreshed. We didn't have the updated chart, but we saw something interesting here. We can see something interesting. We had 2 trend lines here. So 2 support levels. And as I said here, I mean, it bounced back 2 times from this support. And then it broke through, but it caught this support. 2 support lines. So it is somewhat moving within those support and resistance levels. This is nice. I mean, some coins move, some coins don't. This one is a great example. Even though the trend is still short term, it's bearish, that's for sure. But at least we can see it's following the TA. Lots of people are telling that, TA on PUMP.FUN coins is foolish. And it's foolish to use it as your entry and exit points, but it helps. This is a coin which just looks great from the chart. I mean, this is a very chat chart. Like, it's perfect here. The diagonal pattern is even more bullish than higher lows. Even more bullish than that. Let's take a look at this. But you can see here the meme. First Forex pair in Solana. Yeah, I don't know. Trading View. Can't really see a website. And I don't really get the meme. Looks great. The bubble map is clean, that's for sure. Trades, there is volume, clearly. I mean, the chart just looks very bullish. Burns are nice. Burns are nice. And thread section is good. Not too large, but it's good. Let's join the Telegram. And show me something easy chat, guys, if you want to. If you want to, you can drop your shows here. And like this stream, because we never really have much likes, like 10 likes, but it's nothing, You can show streams. 43 people in the voice chat, 106 in the group. This looks very, very good. This looks like an active community. Proof of deck screener. Burns, nice. Alright, and he made a promise here. He's going to prepay at 30k, and he kept his promise. That is nice. So we do have a transparent developer here. It's very important for this developer to point out when exactly is he going to prepay the deck screener if he hasn't yet. So you ideally want to find the message where he says, I'm going to prepay at this market cap, and if he doesn't deliver, you sell. Very, very important. We'll keep an eye on this if it comes back down. This you can see here. Now the previous support acted as the resistance here. So as you can see here, this is support, it bounced back from here, and the previous support acts as the resistance now, and it's rejected. So it's clearly just moving within those levels here. And it's very, very precise. Very nice. Very nice. This as well, we can put a trend line back here. We had it here to my knowledge. Yeah. Check out Solji. Pretty sure I've seen it before. Let's take a look at this again. Like yesterday even, I think. Yeah, I've seen it before.
Bullshit, man. Please, man. For real. We're at 85%. Yep. I'm live for 38 minutes, but I've been live for 7 hours, man. They just...
How can I close the volume? Because it's distracting.
Am I down on PUMP.FUN?
Are we good now?
I'm not down on PUMP.FUN. People are saying I'm down on PUMP.FUN.
Alright, well, let's continue. Bubble map. 10%. Someone holds 10%. It's an issue here.
Can I hear myself?
Way
hello?
Too much.
Hello, hello, hello?
We can see quite a few links.
Hey, guys, if you got some soul to pop, go for it. I already prepaid the DEX at 10K. The only reason why I want to send this coin is I already prepaid the DEX. You're going to make a shit ton of money from holding it. I already have promos aligned for the coin. I already burned half my wallet. I've posted the transactions. Please, if you can buy a coin, join this group, man. Join the Telegram. Buy this coin if you got rugged.
He sounds cool.
Bro, we're almost there, man. 86%, bro. 86%,
he seems to be transparent.
Yeah, man.
Now the website doesn't work.
You know, it's better. We learned a lot.
There was 400 replies too.
We filtered a lot of cheats.
So community is big, interest is there.
That's all it is, man. But
volume
I feel
not
like
that much.
There's like new narratives coming in right now. People are, aping in. There's
everybody's going peppy. And remember, I know it's a narrative thing, but narrative things usually stay for 24 to 48 hours. That's it. It's gone. That's an easy way to make money. But if you are going sustainable, you go see Popcat, Michi, whatever coins, they are out of narrative, but they're building themselves. Look at the coin Zach Morris. Was it a narrative? No. It's 100 million market cap.
Hey, man, I don't believe in the narrative shit. I just believe in, bringing this shit to the moon. 100%. I believe in that shit.
The main thing. I think the majority of the people here.
Yeah, it looks interesting, I would say. Active community, lots of conversations, the threads, he's live streaming. Seems to be like a transparent guy. Only issue here, market cap is very, very high. 36k, the most you can make here is exactly 2x. Like exactly 2x. And in my opinion, risk is not worth it. But if it happens to come down, sure. Another issue is the chart. The chart looked, it was not higher lows actually. It was just pump and dump and slowly moving upwards. So chart as well sketched me out a bit, as well as the bubble maps. There were quite a few links. Someone owned 10%. 10% is too much. Now this thread section is quite small. It's an issue. Have you seen the bubble maps? Acceptable. Acceptable. Volume is here. But yeah, kind of pump and dump kind of pattern here forming. And that's the worst case. That's what you don't want to see. And a simple website. I'm going to skip it. This one is interesting. Buy or die. You can't hide. Alright, so this is a slow moving coin. But you can see here it has been doing nothing for the longest time, for like the entire day. The pump was in the beginning, and ever since there is not much volume, I think. There is just the buy bot, right? Which is just working 24/7, as you can see here, and no real transactions. That's an issue. The thread section, so there are some messages here for sure. Bubble maps. Looks clean. Looks clean. Website. This looks good right away. This looks good. I mean, I like the combination black and red matches together. Really simple though, really simple. I wouldn't say it's hard to make. There is some sort of an animation here. Not an animation, but a video, which is alright. As you can see here, cat with a gun. Very badass. Let's now join the Telegram. And welcome everyone. If you're new, subscribe with notifications and join the free resources. The free course, completely free, 40 minutes of beginner level PUMP.FUN content. If you're a noob, you can basically learn how the tools work and how to set everything up. And the free Discord and free Telegram course channel. And we dropped a nice call here, literally a 3x call earlier today in Telegram course channel. Now the video chat, 7 participants only, is a bit shallow and no pinned messages and high market cap. I would skip this coin, to be honest. I would skip it. But take a look at this, guys. I mean, this was the call here. As you can see here, I was looking at those 2 coins and peer. We saw it at like $200k in market cap. I told you guys, looking for resistance support flips, and this happened. It did flip. I even drew to you. The perfect entry was there. I hope you entered. And if you look at it from here, it's now done 4x since 200k or 3.5x. So join the Telegram course channel, guys. It might form another resistance support flip, most likely going to come back down to this support level, previously resistance, and then bounce back, hopefully, like it did right here, and just keep going at it with higher lows. This would be the ideal case. Now we're also waiting for this to break through the resistance and make sure it comes back here and buy back here. Not buy back, but enter here when it comes back from to the support level, basically. Yeah, so waiting game here and here as well. If you still want to trade, you can, just a matter of time till it comes back down to the support level. And yeah, when it comes to this coin, no volume either, so there are things wrong with it. Asian Dora, this trend is now popping more often here. Let's take a look at this Chinese BTC. A little dump. Let's take a look at it still. Looks clean. No website. So many coins don't even have websites anymore. And let's take a look. Banner. Banner looks kind of great. It's effort put in. And people are saying it's a CTO. Not sure whether to believe this. Let's take a look. Volume is here. It's getting a bit more shallow, as you can see here, on a decrease. Members seem to be active. From 55, 17 are in the voice chat. This does look great for sure. Pin messages. Winners, some kind of giveaways. Interesting. Burns are happening here as well. Voice chat, yep. Voice chat is nice. You can talk to the developer. You can ask him any questions. You can even show ideas to the team, you know. You can support the project, talk to other people. Voice chat is so important. It's where the community can meet. Yeah, little dump. We'll just keep an eye on this, but never enter when the coins are falling like a knife. This one we haven't seen before. PUMP.FUN. Alright, bored at home in Japan. So it's some kind of a Japanese meme. What about the volume? Volume is here. Bubble map. Welcome everyone to this live stream. Happy to have you here. This looks great. Completely clean. So there is some kind of a story, as you can see here. He went on an adventure, and it looks about average, maybe better than average slightly. slightly better than average website here. Thread section looks prosperous. It's kind of bigger than average, that's for sure. That means that the community is there, interest is there, volume is there. Let's take a look at the Telegram. So far it looks great. It looks average, you know, so average isn't really good enough. You want something to stand out, like either a very great meme, a very great website, or an enormous community. So usually there has to be one thing which has to really stand out in order for a coin to push. And this is great. I mean, 156 members and 40 are in the voice chat, and they're talking here. This looks very nice. You can see they're very active. This is like within the last seconds here, since last minute. Jeets out, buys a dip, very active. Burns are happening, Dex screen is prepaid, and the developer seems to be talking business, and he talks nice English here. So he talks professionally, he's not a hype man, you know. This looks great. Proof, Burns, yep, this looks great. I think the community is active, but yeah, don't really catch the falling knife. I would say wait for a dip to reverse, wait for a green candle to close, right? So then you see a confirmation that it's all good, you're not trying to catch the falling knife, because you might have thought in this stage, well, I'm buying the dip here, but guess what, the dip can keep dipping, you know. This is the issue you're facing if you're trying to catch a falling knife. But other than this, the coin looks good and dips are healthy. You can even do such a thing here. Measure how big is the dip, because usually healthy coins, they drop at most 60%. So this is a crucial point right now. If it goes above 70, I would say it's bearish, because only bearish coins go 70, 75 or 80 or 90. They're going to die. This is the issue. So 60% is healthy. Let's see what happens here. And ideally 30% and 50% are good dips as well. So let's keep an eye on it. As you can see here, dip just keeps dipping, you know, on this one. And I told you guys it's too low in the market cap. If the dip keeps dipping, it's simply going to die. And this is down 70% now. So it's entering this danger zone, already is. I'm just going to close this one, I think. We might keep it open just for the proof later, but yeah. This fell for the support level. As you can see here, we do have some sort of a support here. We can draw it here, why not? But yeah, it did follow the support level before. Not always, but sometimes it does. This right here as well, well, this is in a free fall now. It broke through everything completely. You can see this looks like head and shoulders, so even here it looks bearish. I mean, the pattern is clear. It's in a downtrend and most likely going to die. This is still going up. This is the ideal chart you want to get into. As you can see here, this is still keeping going down, keeps going down. Let's open the volume because the coin looks great and people are selling at the same time, as you can see here. Let's keep an eye on it. This coin is exciting. Dips are healthy. So we have been streaming for 1 hour 20 minutes. Thank you for watching, guys. Let's take a look at some more coins. Mazarino was a nice one. Do we still have it open here? Or did I close it? Oh yeah, we do have it here. Oh yeah, it has been doing nothing. I thought it went up in market cap. Chinese propaganda. China is really the trend. Now this coin has AI picture. Yep, chart doesn't really look attractive. What is Peer doing? So Peer now, as you can see here, is at the support level now. Let's see if this bounces. Let's see if this bounces. We have 5-minute candles, so 5-minute candles are very strong. 1 minute, as you can see here, it already touched the support level a few times and bounced back. So let's see. Volume is here. Volume is here. It is still number 2. Resistance to support flips. That's a very nice strategy. Like one of my favorites because it's so simple to understand and it's like almost bulletproof. It's easy to take out your losses if it happens to go south, and the reward is worth it. This already dead here. H-band. Let's take a look. Shill from the live chat. Dex updated, marketing, push up next. Let's take a look. Alright, this one is on Radium. This is launched a few days ago. Was launched. Let's take a look at this in Radium. First, let's take a look at bubble map. $90K, yeah. Let's take a look. And we can see one link here. It's acceptable. It's completely fine. Now, this is a concern. What is this? Wallet rank number 1, more than 5%. So there might be a reason why someone is holding this much, but it's a no-go in my case. Very good reason or something. CTO team holds a lot. Yeah, I wouldn't trust them. I wouldn't trust them. It's too much. They hold not even 20, but actually 50. They split it into different wallets. So 50% of the supply. Even if it goes up, they will sell. It's only a matter of time. And they will influence the price action a lot. There is little liquidity too, you know. So right here, it's reversing, sure. It already did some nice gains, but it's a no-go. It's a no-go, unfortunately. And well, this coin I wouldn't buy into regardless because it looks like it died out completely. It had another chance here, but it doesn't want to push up anymore. The momentum is lost. So last 15 hours, 10 hours, nothing has been happening, you know. I wouldn't get into it. Let's take a look at Mishina. So Michi but a woman. Let's take a look. Interesting. 10 replies only. And $36K in market cap. Let's take a look. And it's a new launch, right? Bubble maps does look completely clean. This is what we want to see. This is ideal. Now, first wave, entering now right away. And no go. The most you can make here right now is 2x. If you're in a position, congratulations. It's in the narrative. It's Mishi but a woman, right? A female. So this is nice. But I wouldn't enter now. Only into a dip. But let's examine. There is no website. It's an issue. And the thread section is small. Oops. Yeah, sometimes this happens where just throws me out for some reason. So let's go back to the coin. But I don't like small thread sections. And I don't like when there is no website. Trades. Volume is clearly here. Katra. We'll take a look at this after this one. 73 members in the group, 25 in the voice chat. So lots of people are joining right now. And people are talking here. So they're active. The community clearly is active. 26 people in the voice chat. And the voice chat was opened like 2 minutes ago. So very active community. I would say wait for a dip. If you're in, take your profits for sure. We need a website. We need a more active thread section. But other than this looks great. Thanks for the info. Learning to trade on PUMP.FUN as well. Just need to watch all of your videos. But good to see while live. Yeah, thank you a lot. I really appreciate you watching. And yeah, check out the free course if you want to know how to set everything up. How to use Photon, Dex, Screener, Trojan. How to use those tools. I have a pinned link in the description. In the live chat pin message. And also Discord. Because I'm online on Discord all day long. You can talk to me, you can ask any questions. We have lots of good traders there. You can literally follow their trades if you want to. You can talk to them, connect with the community. So Discord is very helpful, completely free resource. And Telegram course channel. We literally dropped this play right here today, which did 3.5x. And this is where I told you to buy here. So good job if you guys got in. Now, one more thing I want to take a look at is Boden, which I was shilling to you guys as the start of this live stream, because it was right at the support level. And Boden is a strong play for the upcoming wave, that's for sure. Boden. So it's right at the support level at this current moment. As you can see here, this is the support level. Previously the resistance, now the support. Looks strong here and is, very strong support. The all-time high, 700 million. So it's down now and it's in this narrative. Presidential elections are yet to come in November. This coin is going nowhere. It's not going away. It's going to stay. Narrative is there, and when the pump comes, when all the memes resurrect, this is going to be very juicy. And market is looking hot. BTC is going for another all-time high. We just need a few thousand, and then we're hitting the all-time high. The previous all-time high is 73k, as you can see here, very long time ago. So we're just a little bit away. We could hit it today or tomorrow, literally in the next few days. Boden, nice play here, guys. Check it out. At the support level, it is a steal. It's a nice entry. You won't get a better entry. Let's take a look. Now, as you can see here, I told you guys that PUMP is a nice project, right? But if you want to buy the dip, never buy the falling knife. Only buy when you can see green candle confirmation where it's already closed or closing, right? And this looks great now. It has a green candle, so people have... So the coin has found the bottom, and at 25k could be an entry. Alright, so you can see a new candle here. So we are a bit late to it, but you could have entered here, and this would have been perfect. This is how to enter the dips. And volume is here, even though it's a bit shallow, I have to say here. But yeah, now it's a little bit late. It's gone up like 7-8% more than we would have wanted. But yeah, great project. This one dumped, looked so bullish. It's now at 10k. Let's refresh. Wow, as you can see here, this can happen. But you could have made profits anytime here, So yeah, we fired it a bit late. We fired it at 30k. Then it went to like 45k. But now it's dumped. Everyone's selling too. We're going to keep it open. If it happens to go up, most likely the developer sold. So CTO, if this can happen, let's see if it can reverse. This one now, going back up, let's see. Let's take a look at this. Now this looks bearish. Look at this downstairs. In the last 25 minutes, nothing has changed here. Just keeps dipping. It's going to die. What do you think about Catra? Let's take a look. This one, right? Catra Note. The first thing I see here is this AI profile picture. This is most likely AI, right? If it isn't, very good one. But if it's AI, it just means low effort. This is our first project. We have big visions. Alright, let's check out the bubble maps. People call this a long-term play, and they say it's a nice team. Now we see some links here, but they're not very big. So you decide whether it's acceptable. Alright, so this looks sketchy. Someone owns literally 66% of the supply. This is very sketchy. I wouldn't get into it at all. If it's a developer, it's just bad. He can sell, right? If it's as a trader, it's bad as well. Regardless, it's bad. Even though thread section is active here. And on Radium, well, I don't really like the coins which are trying to put up a fight for days, but nothing is happening, So in this coin's case, if it happens to reverse, if it happens to go up in some magic way, volume kicks in, maybe in a few weeks, maybe for a small 2, 3, 5x, maybe, if you're lucky to catch it, So I wouldn't buy into those coins. Even if the developer is active, if there is no price action, I just wouldn't buy into coins. Volume is very important. And I do like this website, for example. This looks great. Those planets look very nice. Like, I really like this. Wow, looks great. This space as a background, this cyberpunkish style looks great. I mean, the website is top notch, I would say. Certainly better than average. But it's just that if there is no volume, it's not really going to do much. MedFuel. I've been shilled MedFuel in the previous live stream. Full transparency, I did not like MedFuel. But let's see if it's up now, because it was at 180k to my knowledge, 200k yesterday, and it's now 120. So it has went down a bit. And this is the type of coin that, I mean, it's the same thing I was talking about when it comes to the previous coin, the previous example. The coin just did nothing for weeks here. So it did nothing for 1 month. Would you be willing to hold a coin for that long and without knowing that it's going to go up? So this right here is magic. It's finally coiled up, volume kicked in, but I wouldn't be willing to buy into here at any time because you don't know whether it's going to go up, or if it is going to go up, then when. And even now here, I mean, what are you going to do? People are just going to cash out, I think, and just going to reverse. Like full transparency here. And this is now reversing too. Let's keep an eye on it. Thanks for checking it out. Yeah, welcome. We're checking out all these shows. So feel free to share, guys. Feel free to subscribe with notifications and join the free resources. Discord, free calls, Telegram. They're all made for you guys. And yeah. Check out. Alright. I will not spell the name just in case, because this might trigger YouTube. But it's with a Y, so it's different here. Now this is a coin, right? 500k, but with one threads. With one threads reply. Interesting here. Distribution does look clean though. I thought it might be a scam with one threads reply. And let me know if it's the right token. 500k, this should be the correct one. You can see here again, someone owns 24%, it's sketchy. Like right away I have to point out, 24% is way too much. Sophie Cat, yeah sure, we'll take a look at it. So the volume is here, but someone owns 25%. And the chart, by the way, looks great, I have to point that out as well. Chart looks rather bullish. Kind of higher lows or more like pumps and dumps, but yeah, it's moving upwards overall. The trend looks bullish, but someone is holding a lot. This is why I wouldn't enter. This is like a deal breaker. If it happens to go down, let's take a look at the dip levels. Right, it's very simple to check. This was a perfect entry here, 0.786. It bounced back from perfectly. If it happens to come back down, you could potentially enter. If you're in, congratulations. Selfie cat now. Selfie cat. I've seen it before. And cats are always trending. But cats really have to stand out. Because there is so much competition. It's really oversaturated. So if it's not great meme, it's not going to perform. Now the chart looks good, looks bullish. Not even any dips. One concern here right away, there are gaps in volume. Gaps in volume are, in my opinion, bad sign. Volume is decreasing here, that is an issue. But I would say sufficient, right? It's slow mooning. It's hours old. So generate bubble. This is at 7%, and there are a few links here. But it's not that big of a concern. It's acceptable in this coin's case, 2 links only, as the website looks flashy, right? So not really professional, just looks memey, and I would say it's about average website. Thread section, people are talking here? Sufficient, fairly active. I just look at the messages, like not what they consist of usually, but how big is the thread section, you know? Let's join the group. 15 people in the voice chat, 53 members. This is the bare minimum in my opinion. What was the market cap of the coin? The market cap 22,000. I would say it matches, yeah, but they should grow more. I mean, this is not sufficient. They need to grow more here. Dex screen is prepaid. That will attract people. Tinder Premium was purchased. And moderator is active. Yeah, I would say it's rather uncertain, to be completely honest with you. I wouldn't enter into it myself because there are missing pieces. The volume is not there. Telegram is not that big, and the website well is average. And it's a cat. Cats have lots of competition, so a few flaws here, certainly. And entering at 23k, I wouldn't do it. So keep an eye on it. If it happens to dip, if it's a nice entry, if the community grows, you can consider entering it if you are not in already. But you want to see a bigger community, that's for sure. And I have to point out that I really approach those coins very carefully. I'm always looking for complete coins, for full packages. So I am approaching them with much skepticism and with lots of hesitancy. I do think that's the right approach. You should never be optimistic or overly bullish on those coins. Do not think that it's free money. Going to close this one. Approach them with much skepticism. This will actually make you more profitable 100%. Rather be careful. Pick a few trades, but pick nice ones. This one completely dumped and already recovered quite a bit here. Like it did 3x since the recovery. So I told you guys we'll keep it open when we saw it dump into 10k because it can reverse here. So this as well is an opportunity to get in, right? I mean it was, not anymore. Probably not going to go back up, but from the bottom, if the coin was high up, you can get a 2 to 3x from the bottom. If the coin dumps from 15, 20k, most likely this wouldn't be happening. So this happens only when coins have 35k, 40k, or 50k dollars in market cap. So only big coins will have this reversal. For example, this one might have one. It was at 32.5k maybe here, because this doesn't really correlate with the market cap. But it's not bouncing. It's not bouncing yet, and I'm not sure if it will. I would rather say it will not, but let's keep an eye on this one. You just want to keep the coins open to see if they go back. And that's only the only way to know. I mean, we don't know whether this is going to bounce here until it actually bounces. We need to see a confirmation of volume coming in. Once it does, it's foreseen. Until then, it's just speculation, right? Is it going up or not? But this is a great example. Once you saw the volume coming back in, the buying volume, and this green candle closing, then great. It was a really clear entry. This one I don't like right away, just at 10k, but it's consolidating already, just going sideways, and there is no volume. So this is a no-go for sure. How do you see the bubble now on PUMP.FUN? Let me open one coin, and then I will show you. This one we haven't seen before to my knowledge. And yeah, you click this generate bubble map next to hold the distribution. And then you will see this thing, and the more links the worse. If there is a clean one like this one, that's great. And this basically will help you to mitigate getting rug pulled. Because if there is some sketchy activity, and when it comes to those coins, these coins transactions, then you'll be able to see it. Now this coin has no volume, just from the chart. You can see it right here. There was a gap in volume, so very sketchy. Chinese Michi. So this is something new. We have seen Michina, to my knowledge, a female version, but a Chinese Michi with a hat is a nice try at a meme. Bubble map, one link here. Acceptable, only 6%, doesn't really matter that much. If it's more than 10, I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't even look at the coin. Website is very average, nothing special here. Dumping at the moment, it was at like 55k, wow. Let's take a look at Threads. Threads looks not too big. For the market cap, it looks kind of small, I would say. A website I've seen before. So Telegram now. Can you check loots? Sure. Going to join this. 40 members in the group. That's a bit small, but I mean not 40, 50. So this is all right. So 50 is my minimum, bare minimum. 20 in the voice chat, minimum 15 for me. So this is the bare minimum, and this doesn't match. There is a divergence because market cap was 55k at its peak. So it doesn't really match. The community should be way more bigger and way more active. So I wouldn't enter the coin. High market cap and low community means it's more likely to dump. This is a bit more advanced here because you might not even take this, you might not even spot this divergence here. But usually coins at 15k dollars in market cap should have 50 members in the group and 15 people in the voice chat, right? First waivers. This coin is a first waiver at 55k, but it has a community the size of 15k dollar market cap coin. So this is a big difference here. There is not enough people to buy the dip, to push the coin, and this is a big flaw. They are community-driven projects. Is it even worth doing TA with pump? Just support and resistance, nothing else. Look at psychological levels, like 10k dollars in market cap, 20k, 25k. For example, if you want to sell a coin, right? Let's say that you want to, you got in at 10k, let's say, and you want to cash out at 50k. You will never in your head think that I'll take profits at 46,000. You will never think that way, right? You will not even say I'll take out profits at 52,000. You'll think I'm going to take profits at 50,000, 50k, or I don't know, be 20k, but never 22k, for example. So people think in round numbers, right? So you do have to look at psychological levels, take them into consideration, draw them here. So 10k, 20k, 30k and 50k are the big ones, and before radium as well. 70k is a big level here as well, and support and resistance, that's important. Can you give a brief description? What you check? Basically everything. Everything has to be the full package. Thread section, volume from here, then volume from here, gets the indicator, checks the market cap, checks the generate bubble, checks the socials, checks the meme, checks the Telegram, and that's it pretty much. So you check literally everything. And if there is even one or two flows, do not ape, never force a trade. Do not enter on certain coins, only enter when it's 100% a conviction play, when you actually see those real bullish signs. That's how you trade. Full packages. Also, thank you for being so responsive. This is great. Yeah, you're welcome. I am actually very active on Discord as well. So if you want to talk, join the Discord server. I'm literally there all day, and other members as well. Let's check out loots. So how do you see the bubble map? Take a look at this right here. Hoarder distribution, generate bubble map. This should be right here. And you click on this one. You should have it, like every single PUMP.FUN user should have it now. So this is the coin, right, at 50k dollars. I was shielded in the live chat, and it's now in radium. Let's take a look. Someone owns 25%. It's a no-go right away. Unfortunately, it's a no-go. As you can see, he has his split into different wallets, and someone owns 50%, and other wallet owns like 5%. So this looks very bad. And bubble maps is important. I wouldn't look at this coin. And I'm now going to end the live stream here actually, guys, because it was really educational, like almost 2 hours. And lastly, I want to shout out my subscription, which just launched as 2K subscribers special. And I'll also explain to you guys what it includes. But as you can see here, this is the subscription. You first of all get the PUMP.FUN course. It's 2 hours worth of content. I actually think it's significantly undervalued here because this is going to go up. It's just for the first 10 people here as 2K subscribers special. Then you get premium exclusive Discord calls and premium access. So the exclusive channels, and basically I'm going to drop their exclusive plays, which I'm not sharing on the free Telegram coach channel, which I'm not sharing on YouTube. So just the exclusive plays for you to make your money back with the subscription, as well as an affiliate link. So you can make your money back that way as well. And you can read about this in the description of this live, or take a look at my Telegram coach channel. You should find the link there. So just want to shout this out because I know this can actually help you guys, and currently it's at a massive discount. So guys, take a look at the free course, Discord, Telegram coach channel, and that offer, and I wish you guys some